Good morning to all. I am G. Anushila from 3rd year Biomedical Engineering at College of Engineering. Now I am going to talk about the river Ganga. The Ganga is also called as Ganges. Is one of the most important rivers of India, not only for its physical presence but also for its deep cultural and spiritual significance. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas of Uttarakhand, where it is first known as the Bhagirathi. The Devapraga, the Bhagirathi meets the Alhananda, and from this point onward, it is called the Ganga. The river then flows through the many states including Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Before entering the Bangladesh, it joins the Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers and finally empties into the Bay of Bengal. Covering the length more than 2,500 kilometers, the Ganga forms the basic Gangetic plains, which are among the most fertile lands in the world and have supported civilizations for thousands of years. The Ganga is often referred as the Gangama or Mother Ganga because it is sacred place in Indian culture and religion. In Hinduism, it believed that the taking of holy dip in the Ganga purifies a person of sins and brings them closer to their salvation. Many rituals such as that immersing the ashes of the dead and are performed on its banks with a belief that the soul will attain liberation. Cities like Haridwar, Varanasi and Prayagraj are famous pilgrim centers located along the river and attract millions of devotees every year. Festivals such as the Ganga Dussehra and grand events like Kumbh Mela are centered on this sacred river, highlighting its cultural importance. Beyond Hinduism, the Ganga is also respected in Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism, showing its wide influence across the Indian traditions. Economically and environmentally, the Ganga is no less important. It provides water for drinking, irrigation and industries to millions of people across northern India. The fertile genetic plains support agriculture on large scale with crops, wheat, rice, sugarcane and pulses feeding a significant part of the population.